Hi Sabres, this is Mr. Schulte with a tutorial on how to set up your GAPPS Gmail account. First things first, whenever you're using anything Google, you want to use Google Chrome as a browser. So I just jumped into my applications expose, opened up Google Chrome. If you want to keep this in your dock, just right click on it. Under options, choose keep in dock, then it'll always be there. First time we're opening Google Chrome, so it's asking us a bunch of questions. I'm going to use Chrome as my default browser. So the nice thing is it comes with a GAPPS sign-in right away. I'm going to put in my year that I graduate, first four of my last, first three of my first, at gapps.sartell.k12.mn.us, and your password is SS, your lunch code, and SS. And we're cool with it being managed, so we're going to link data. And the first time through, it's probably going to give you some instructions here. And this is just saying you can search from the window. We're cool with that. Right here, we're at our base account. This is us. And I want to click on my grid here whenever I want to get to anything. I'm going to go to mail first. And this is the way I would check my mail if I were online from any portal. I can't wait to see what's in the inbox. This is the same account you used last year, right? So this stuff is from this year, August 25th. A few Schoology notifications, and a sign-in, which we just did. So once you're in here, you can check your mail. You can process it from here. We wanted to highlight a few other things that you can do. By clicking Compose here, you can create an email. We are going to make you aware in the presentation that you have the ability to email your entire class at one time, but you should use that ability wisely. In fact, you need to receive approval from a club advisor or a classroom teacher before you email everyone. You are going to receive emails that are to the entire class. You should not reply all to those emails. You should only reply to the sender. There's a difference. And then carbon copy and blind copy. Carbon copy would mean I'm going to email the entire class 2019 because my Green Club advisor said that I should, and my Green Club advisor is Mr. Hoffman. So I'm going to copy Mr. Hoffman on the email, and he should populate too as Ben Hoffman, so he knows that I'm sending it out, put a subject in, my contents, and send it on its way. Now, the next step to this is it's great to be able to check this online, but you can take it a step further and set up a mail account. Mail is defaulted in your dock. If you click on it here, it'll open, and it's going to ask us if we want to set up an account. And we're going to choose Google. Click Continue, and we're going to have to log into our account again. There we go. It asks us what we want to be able to allow it to do. All of this is cool. Manage calendars, manage contacts, view and send chats. So we're going to click Allow. I would suggest checking notes here if you sync them across an account, and calendar, and messages if you're going to use iMessage with your GAPPS account. We can click Done, and this should pull mail. So once we set that account up, it'll take a little bit, but it will pull in the mail, the same mail that we saw right here. And the advantage of this is that you can set up multiple accounts here. So if you want to manage all of your email accounts in one inbox, you would then go to Mail and Add Account, and you could put a personal Gmail account or a Yahoo account or an iCloud or whatever you have, an other mail account. And when you click on the Mailboxes tab here, it would give you two different boxes that you could sort through. You see here that we have our Google Mail, and this is under All Mail. And we've got some incoming messages yet, so it's still loading old messages that 19 ADALOS has not processed through. But the other advantage too is you're going to get a notification down here that you have mail. So if you are the type that processes through daily, which you should at least check daily, but if you process through and delete or move, then you could be notified that you have incoming mail and it's on your dock, easy to click to, kind of an always open and available thing. If you have other questions about setting up your mail account, you can see the Student Help Desk in the Media Center, or one of the aides or assistants in the Media Center as well.